Making popcorn in an Omnia is easy, but safety comes first. Add about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. It has a high smoke point and is ideal for making popcorn. Add a generous handful of popcorn kernels and sprinkle on a little salt. This way, there's no need to shake the popcorn afterwards. Once the Omnia has cooled down, you can enjoy it straight from the pan. Place the stainless steel top plate over the chimney opening to keep the popcorn safely inside the Omnia. Use a heat diffuser under the pan and start on high heat. As soon as the kernels begin to pop, reduce the heat to medium-low. Don't shake the pan. The Omnia base gets extremely hot. A few unpopped kernels are better than burned hands. When there are about 2 or 3 seconds between pops, your popcorn is ready. Enjoy your popcorn.